I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the environment is ready. Update Google Messages so it has the latest RCS code, and confirm your carrier supports RCS for your plan and SIM. Once done, open Messages, go to Settings, right arrow Chat Features, and enable them. This registers your number with the RCS service. If registration stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly to force a re-register sequence. These steps prepare the phone and network so RCS can authenticate and function correctly. Now address the common mid-process issues that block RCS. Clear the Messages app cache and, if needed, storage to remove corrupted state, then reopen the app so it re-registers. Make sure background data is allowed and check APN/SMSC settings. Misconfigured values prevent provisioning. If you still see failures, reset network settings to restore cellular and Wi-Fi defaults, then reconnect. These actions remove local and network configuration errors, so the RCS handshake can complete. Finish by testing. Start a conversation with another RCS-enabled contact and confirm you see chat indicators and typing/read receipts. If problems persist, try switching RCS provider settings between Google and carrier, or reinstall Messages to force fresh provisioning. Make sure to collect any error codes or screenshots. If nothing works, contact your carrier with provisioning logs. Factory reset is a last resort because it clears all settings, but often removes stubborn provisioning bugs. Tip: take screen recordings of errors to speed up support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.